Recipes are the backbone of the food manufacturing process. Sage X3 provides a comprehensive recipe management system, allowing manufacturing companies to decrease training time and increase productivity. Instead of being manually controlled or managed by outside sources and spreadsheets, all recipes are stored in the recipe records list. In addition, Sage X3 allows for companies to maintain consistency and tight control of their recipes to prevent tampering by requiring approval at different stages of development. Sage X3 also supports version management of recipes to allow for improvement of recipes, fulfill specific customer needs, or alternate ingredients to cut costs. Recipe management also enables scalability of finished products. Users can adjust calculated totals and see the BOM quantity change as well as the total ingredient costs. With recipe management in Sage X3, your business can be sure to create quality and consistent products for your consumers.